Students, see here, EduCart has come up with the volume 1 and volume 2 of ICSE Class 10 40 sample papers. In volume 1, they do have physics, mathematics, chemistry and biology. And in volume 2, they have English language, literature and English, history and civics and geography. So if you see here, there is into 10 written over here. Okay, so there are 10 papers of all these subjects. So let me open up and show you. Let's see some volume 1 first. What is there in this? Okay. So what's inside? 5 past year papers, including latest specimen paper, 3 fresh papers, each subject new pattern, and 2 most likely ICSE sets for board-like practice at home. Okay, this is exclusively following the new ICSE Class 10 pattern changes as per the official 24 July 2025 specimen paper, and introducing 40% competency-based high-order ability questions in each paper. Okay, so let's see what all is there inside. Okay, so here they have given you the QR code to download the solutions of the self-assessment sample papers that are given inside. And here are the frequently asked questions of students. Let's see. Okay, so first, if you see, this particular book is there. So here, every subject, see, physics phase 1. Okay, here there are 5 papers of physics. Okay, ICSE specimen papers are also there for year 24, 25, 23, 24, 20, 23 and 21, 22. So ICSE specimen papers are there. So it will be very beneficial for you. You will not have to search the specimen papers issued by ICSE. Okay, these are official ICSE board papers. Then there are fresh sample papers for self-assessment, most likely sets and booklets. Then the same thing goes for chemistry. So for every subject, this is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And then after these official sample papers, then fresh sample papers and most likely sets, you have answer writing booklet 1 and answer writing booklet 2 with the OMR sheets. So here are these booklets. I'll show you these booklets as well. See, here are the papers, exactly how it is there in the board. So you will get the feel of the paper, how the paper will look like, okay, where the question number will be, where the marks will be. You'll be very thorough before the exam how the papers will look like. So there are these papers. If you see, for physics, science paper 1, then physics again, and chemistry again. So 2 papers for each subject, maths, science, paper 3 biology, one more paper 3 biology. Okay, and if you see here, these are the answer papers, answer sheets along with the OMR sheet. So you will be practicing really well. You will understand how the actual answer sheet will look like. You can practice writing these entries in the OMR sheets. I'll make a video of how to fill these OMR sheets as well. Okay, this is to be completed by the candidate. Now, this is how your answer paper will look like. I'll make one more video of how to write the answers, but this will give you a proper feel. Okay, on the top, page number will be written. You don't have to write anything in this margin. They have mentioned here properly. This is how your paper answer sheet will look like. So if you practice in these, it will give you a thorough practice, thorough feel, and your fear will go off. Now for the content part, if we see this, okay, let's see these papers. So question paper blueprint is there for each subject. If you see physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. Okay, see MCQs 1 mark, 14 questions, total 14 marks. Assertion reason 1 question, 1 mark. Fill in the blank 6 questions, 6 marks. VSA 8 questions, essay short answers very short answer, and long answer. 8 questions. This is one question of 3 marks and one question of 10 marks. And LA long is 4 questions out of 6 questions. So it's 3 subparts each. So this will be 40 marks. So total in this way there are 80 marks. Okay. Now similarly, there is time management also given. Like this, if I show you, you will be able to understand well. So they've given you time management for physics, that for MCQs 14 question, 1 minute per question should be there. So 15 minutes it will take. In the same way they have given for all the subjects, right? So they've given you time management. So accordingly try to write your papers like this. Okay, now let's see sample paper for physics. Okay, so now here they have given you the questions. Okay, they have given you the type of the question. For example, this is a recall question, this is an understanding question, this is an application question, this is a recall and application question, right? So this way they have given you the paper, the way it will come for your board exam. Then there are answers to it in detail, stepwise answers are there. Okay, sample paper for physics, second paper. Again the third paper for physics. Okay, this way they have 10 papers for each subject. So you can imagine that if you practice so many board specimen sample papers, how amazing your practice will become. Okay, then these are the solutions of the sample papers, and along with this thorough practice you can do these papers and write the answer in answer sheets like this. So now you can imagine the type of practice you will get after finishing this book. Now students, even if it is very late, okay, you have practiced so much. Now even before the exams you will be able to complete all this, and your preparation will be amazing and you'll be able to ace the exam. So I'll give you the link of this particular things in the description box. Go ahead and have a look and buy them for your last minute preparation.